Assalamu alaikum viewer. We start with Mathematica. This is for the beginner. Before starting, please subscribe this channel. Get our slide together. There is a little introduction about Mathematica. If you want to get more introduction, then you can view on this website. First of all, the first question is, what is Mathematica? The answer is, the Mathematica is a software that used in system and it is used to solve the mathematics in computer. The second one question is, when the Mathematica is released on first time. In first times 1988 the Mathematica is released. How many users of Mathematica? There are more than 1 million users, in which 28% are engineers, 21% are computer scientists, and 20% are physical scientists, and 12% are mathematical scientists, and 12% are business, social and life scientists. 2/3 of the user are the industries and government, and there are small 8% are growing number of student users. In next one, we start with the rules that we should keep in our mind for using Mathematica. Thank you very much for watching Education for All.